Hey cousin, I had smoked pork chops in the fridge and I made a locrio with them. Let me show you. I rinsed the smoked pork chops under cold water for a few minutes, patted them dry, and cut them into bite-sized pieces. Then I added 2 tablespoons of oil to my pot going on medium-high heat, added a tablespoon of garlic paste, 2 of sofrito, 1 of olives. I combined and I mixed in 2 chicken bouillon cubes. Then I added my veggies. I added red bell pepper and a red onion, along with 1 sazon packet for color. I added my cut up chuleta ahumada and combined into the seasoning. I let this cook for 3 minutes so the chuleta could absorb the seasoning. Then I added 2½ cups of washed rice combined and 4 cups of water. I covered this on a high flame for 10 minutes. Once the rice has absorbed the liquid, I form a rice mountain like this so the rice doesn't stick to the sides of the pot. I add a bunch of fresh cilantro on top, cover with aluminum foil, that's optional. I lower the flame to low and cook for 25 minutes. Once that time is up, I remove the foil, the cilantro, and I break up and mix my locrio de chuleta ahumada. This pairs perfectly con una ensaladita de repollo and maduros, and there's no debate, the best con is the locrio con.